Hello student, today in this lecture we are going to study positioning of the CSS. At last lecture we have seen few more types of selectors. We have seen CSS selectors as class selector, universal selector, then after group selector we have seen theoretically as well as practically. Now in this lecture we are going to study positioning in CSS. Basically there are four types of positionings. These positioning are nothing but a specified effect. Those effects will be prepared as a part of style sheet, while such styles through selectors having possible properties with respective values will be made in head section, will be designed in a head section, and those effects will be applied in a body section by using such selector. Basically we have studied style sheets. In this style sheet selector properties and respective values are there. Same way again we are going to use such a selector properties as well as the respective values in this part also. See here, four part of positioning, which are those and how it works theoretically. See here, positionings. Number one, static positioning. This positioning is a default one, and content within such static positioning is not affected by top, bottom as well as left and right properties. So positioning is nothing but leaving a space either on left or at right, same with either on top or at bottom. It means setting up a space, leaving a space on such typical location is nothing but the positioning. Part number two, type number two, that is nothing but fixed positioning. As its name implies, is a fixed property is used, and selector dot fixed means it defines a typical selector, any of HTML element, HTML tag to be used as a selector, and giving a dot, that is period operator for that, it is possible to apply a fixed property. Within such selector, a user can use typical properties as well as values also, and it comes to a proper effect. See here what statement is given in your book. Fix the positioning. This property helps to put the text fixed on the browser. Fix the property forces an element into a fixed position relative to a browser's window, and a fixed element will not move even the page is scrolled. So as per its name and meaning implies, fixed is nothing but its location is fixed. We will see it in example. Normally whatever the content of HTML document will be applicable, and we will see it practically also. See here, within such a page they have given a style is defined like this, p dot fixed. Within curly brackets they have given position colon fixed, means whatever the location, leaving a space of something pixels, it is fixed. Then after they have given top 50 pixel, means leaving a space of 50 pixel on top side. Right, that is nothing but right alignment, we can say that 5 pixel, as well as color blue. So such an effect is nothing but what, a content will be affected through such a p dot fixed selector. A name to be given for selector is nothing but p dot fixed. Then how to get apply this? See here, in a body section they have applied here, we can get check it out. Suppose number of p tags are here, this one is the first, second is here, at next line they have given third one, at fourth paragraph tag, that is p tag, we have used here p class equal to fixed. So this fixed dot p dot fixed property selector will be applicable if within p tag you have to apply class equal to its name, that is fixed. It's a type. We will see it practically typing a code in a editor's window. It is possible, and we will check it out as its output whatever to be displayed in a browser's window. See here, we are applying such a normal HTML file as positioning document, and it is possible to apply such a effect. See here, HTML head title within such a normal structure tags applied. Within head section we have given here style, where a specified selector I have used here b tag. We can use it for bold, giving a effect of boldness. One can use here heading levels also. One can use here paragraph tag also, and it is followed with dot fixed. Such a dot fixed is nothing but what? A type of positioning to be defined. As there are 4 types of positioning: static positioning, fixed positioning, relative positioning, as well as absolute positioning. We are using here fixed positioning. So b dot fixed we have used here. Within curly braces we have practice of applying properties as well as relative values, respective values. So here is the first property with a value. See here, position colon fixed. So it means that their position, their location is a fixed one. While you can manage the space, you can leave a space at top using a property as a top colon 40 pixel, that is nothing but leaving a space of 40 pixel. It is possible to apply in any of number of values. One can get reduce it, one can get increase this. I have used here background color as a red. So next property is nothing but what? Background hyphen color with a value as a red. Then next property I have used here color blue. So such a text will be displayed in a blue color. But when it should be applicable such a effect, when you are using this b dot fixed selector in a specified manner within a body section. See here, I have given a single sentence as a welcome to positioning. It is displayed in a browser's window, no doubt. See here, it is displayed welcome to positioning. If you want to apply here something effects as a heading levels, one can get apply it. I have applied here heading level number 2, that is H2 tag, and it will be applicable on this content. Slash H2 is given. Save this, get refresh at here in browser's window. You will get observe the effect. See here, welcome to positioning in a bold face as a heading level number 2. Now I am going to apply this effect content. What effect we have designed here? Position as a fixed, top with 40 pixel, background color with red color. These effects are nothing but positioning for such content, and such content will be displayed with effect in a browser's window. See here. Then get apply this. See here, b dot fixed will be applicable, no doubt. Here we are going to apply here b tag. Save this file in a proper manner. Bold. Only b effect is applied here instead of heading level. Now it means that b dot fixed. So Now such effect will be applicable by using a class attribute like this. Class equal to fixed means it's a type of positioning is applicable. Class equal to fixed. Again, it must be saved here and effect will be observed in a browser's window. What effect we have given? 40 pixels at top, red color at background, blue color for such a text. I'm going to refresh here this page. See here if it is applicable. Such content is displayed in a blue color. A color at background is set as a red, as well as this one is a space with a 40 pixels at top. It is left here. One can get change values at here. Suppose I want to increase a top margin by using a attribute called as top of 60 pixels. One can get increase this, save here again, get refresh at here. Yes, it is applicable. It is moved again to next few lines by leaving a space of 20 pixels and it becomes of 60 pixels. Again, such type of effects we can apply, leaving a space at left, right, might be. So if you want to apply, it is possible. Left colon 50, that is nothing but this content should be effectively displayed by leaving a space of 50 pixels on left hand side. See here what will happen. See here, effect is applicable. This text is moved to the right by leaving a space of 50 pixels at here. Basically 60 pixels at top already given. If you want to change something colors, it is possible again. If you want to apply new color as a background color, I'm going to change the background color here, applying green color as a background color. Again, save this document, get refresh it, color is applied, background color green is applicable. If you want to change text color, it is possible again. I'm going to apply white color for this. Now it will be displayed in a white color. See here, a text in a white color like this. So many more effects will be applicable by using positioning, and such positionings are nothing but extra. Those are applicable, those are used while defining. Such is nothing but a defining selector as a style sheet selector. Properties are most commonly we have used here. One by one we will see it theoretically as well as practically also. Today we have seen a fixed type positioning. 4 types are there basically. See here in this book, in your textbook you can read more carefully. There are 4 types of positioning in CSS. Number 1 is static, number 2 fixed, whatever we have seen, number 3 relative positioning, number 4 absolute positioning. From these we have seen now fixed positioning. So effects can be designed in a head section. See here, one can use more also, no doubt, and within such a content this effect will be observed in a browser's window. Suppose you want to change the properties within this It is possible again. I'm going to change a property called as font. This will be applicable by using a word or a property called as keyword called as font hyphen family. Its value will be given any of font name. Suppose I am going to apply here Algerian font. See what happens if it is supportive or compatible for this positioning. It will be applicable on this text in a browser's window. Okay, see here, save this document again, and effect will be observed. Yes, it is displayed in a Algerian font. So user can get apply many more effects. Those effects which we have seen in a style sheets, either in internal, that is nothing but embedded style sheet, or in external, or in inline style sheet. So today we have seen how to design a positioning. Basically, all those four types of style sheets, sorry, positionings are designed in a head section and applied in a body section. And while applying such positioning or their effects, we have to use any of HTML element. Suppose I am going to apply here again tag B for next element or next content. It is possible. See here, a content which is related with specified users or their content with relative occasions also, it is possible. I have given here a text as a happy Diwali. Save this document, get refresh at here, it will be displayed. See here, happy Diwali. Something content is displayed. And a preference will be given for normal text other than such a content. While instead of preference we can say that this tag B class equal to fixed is nothing but what? They have defined a space of 50, 60 or 40 pixels as a margin space here. Top equal to 60. That is nothing but what? It is positioned. It is fixed by leaving a space of 60 pixels. Then left equal to 50. So it's nothing but what? Leaving a space of 50 pixels at left hand side, leaving a space of 60 pixels on top. Such a text will be displayed. So we can change these values through such a property and value also. See here, instead of 60, I'm going to reduce this to 30 pixels at top. So such a text will be at top for few lines. See here, just next of happy Diwali sentence or a statement, it is displayed. So this one is a space of a 30 pixels at top. It can be said as a top margin itself. So it is more interesting and easy also, as well as convenient to apply effects. Those effects we have studied in style sheets. Now we are studying here in positioning, leaving a space as well as managing colors. Suppose you want to apply here right space, a location at right hand side might be. Suppose I have given here 100 pixels. So at the same time you are applying left and right. So see here what effect will be applicable. Here we have given basically 50 pixels for left. Now we are applying 100 pixels. So the text will be displayed in what manner, we will check it out in a browser's window. Yes, their length of background color is extended by leaving a space of 100 pixels at right, as given here, right equal to 100 pixel. So such a pixels will be left, or a space will be lived here, 100 pixels. See here, this one is a space of 100 pixel from left, from right, not left, from right hand side in a browser's screen. So today we have seen a fixed positioning, type of positioning called as fixed. Thank you.